Tired of slow queries and cumbersome data retrieval? PostgreSQL's JSON-B data type can be a game changer. By storing JSON data in a binary format, JSON-B allows for efficient querying and manipulation. But how do you unlock its full potential? As noted by PostgreSQL's official documentation, JSON-B is designed for structured and semi-structured data. With JSON-B, you can query JSON data using SQL-like syntax, leveraging operators like SAF for retrieving values and AS for containment checks. You can also create indexes on JSON-B columns to significantly boost query performance. For data manipulation, JSON-B provides functions like JSONBset and JSONBinsert to update and modify JSON data. Mastering PostgreSQL JSON-B queries can revolutionize your data retrieval and manipulation workflows. By applying these techniques, you'll be able to efficiently handle complex JSON data and take your database skills to the next level. Take the next step and start optimizing your queries today. Explore JSON-B and transform your data management experience.